Good evening everyone. Next topic is peripheral devices. Peripheral devices is generally defined as any auxiliary device such as a computer, mouse or keyboard that connects to and works with the computer in some way. Other example of peripheral are expensive cards, graphics cards, image scanners, tape, tape drivers, microphones and loudspeakers, webcams and digital cameras. This is some peripheral devices. Now we are going to discuss about input devices and output devices. The input devices are used to provide data to the CPU for processing, and after processing the input data is converted into meaningful of informations. The input device are used to provide data to the CPU for processing, and after processing the input data it converted into meaningful informations. Some example of input devices: keyboard, mouse, OCR and MICR. First of all, you are going to discuss about keyboards. First of all, you discuss about keyboards. The keyboard was one of the first peripherals to be used with computers. The primary input device for entering text and numbers. A standard keyboard includes about 100 keys, minimum 100 keys. Each key sends different signals to the CPU. Different key signals give to the CPU. If you have not used a computer or keyboard or typewriter, you will learn quickly that you can use a computer much more efficiently if you know how to type. The skill of typing or keyboarding is the ability to enter text and numbers with skill and accuracy. Certainly, you can use a computer without having a good typing skills. The standard keyboard, some layout is there. It has 101 keys arranged in 5 groups. It has 101 keys arranged in 5 groups. First of all, the alphanumeric keys, the modifying keys, the function keys, then the cursor movement keys, special purpose keys. First of all, alphanumeric keys. The alphanumeric keys, the keys that produce letters and numbers. The alphanumeric key group includes 4 keys that have a specific functions. Example: tab, caps lock, backspace and enter keys. Next one is modifying keys. The modifying keys, the keyboard modify keys are modify the input of other keys because they give all other keys multiple capabilities. Modifying keys example of shift and control alt. Next one is functions keys. The fourth part of the keyboard consists of the functions keys. These keys labeled F1, F2 and so are usually arranged in a row along the top of keyboard. Each functions key's purpose depends on the program you are using. For example, in most programs, F1 in the help of key. Next one is cursor movement keys. The fifth part of keyboard is the set of cursor movement keys, which let you move around the screen without using a mouse. In many programs and operating systems, a mark on the screen indicates where the characters you type will be entered. This mark, called the cursor's or insertion point, appears on the screen as a blinking vertical line, a small box or some other symbols to show your place in document or command lines. That is a cursor movement keys. Next one is special purpose keys. The special purpose keys which features the Windows logo open the Windows start menus on most computer processing the key performs the same function as clicking the short button on the Windows taskbars. Shortcut. The key which features an image of menu opens on screen shortcut menu in Windows based application programs. Next one is mouse. A mouse is a device that rolls around on flat surface and controls the pointer. The pointer, also called the mouse pointer, is an on-screen object, usually an arrow that is used to select text, access menu, and interact with programs, files, or data that are appear on the screen. Most mics are mechanical. They contain a small rubber ball that protrudes through a hole in the bottom of the mouse case. The ball rolls inside the case when you move the mouse around on a flat surface. Inside the mouse, rollers and sensor send signal to the computer telling in the distance, directions, and speed of the ball's motions. The computer uses this data to position the mouse pointer on the screens. Next one is optical character recognitions. The OCR represents optical character recognition device. When image scanner are used for inputting text document like typed or handwritings, they have the following two limitations. One is, since the input document are stored as an image instead of text, it is not possible to do any word processing of the document. Second one, the storage required for storing the document as an image is much more than that required for the storing the same document as a text. The OCR technology is used to overcome the limitations. In this case, the scanner is equipped with a character recognition software called OCR software, which convert the bitmap image of character to equivalent ASCII codes, American Standard Codes. Next one is MICR, ink character recognition. It's similar to OCR and is used by the banking industries for fastest processing of the large volume of checks being handled every day by these industries. A bank which MICR technology uses a special type of check. The bank's identification code, name, branch, account number, and check the number and pre-printed by using character from a special characters set on all these checks with a special ink which contains magnetizable particles of iron oxide before the checks are given to the customer for use. The most commonly used character set MICR device is known as E13B font size, which consists of the numeral 0 to 9 and 4 special characters coded data in the form of this font are transferred from checks to the computer by an MICR reader sorter. This is a diagrams. Okay, This is for peripheral devices. Next one is output devices. The output devices relevant data processing by a processor. The output can be displayed on a monitor or printed on proper using printer. The output can be easily understood and used by user in hard copy and soft copies. The example of output devices: VDU, a visual display unit, dot matrix printer, laser printer, inkjet printer, and XY plotters. First of all, visual display unit. The visual display unit monitors are the most popular output devices used for producing soft copy output. They display the generated output or television like screen. A monitor is usually associated with a keyboard, and together they form a video display terminal. A VDT is the most popular input-output device used today computer. That is, service both on input and output devices. The keyboard is used for input to the computer, and the monitor is used to display the output from the computer. The two basic types of monitor used today, the cathode ray tubes and flat panel. The cathode ray tube monitor look much like a televisions and are used within a non-portable computer system. On the other hand, the flat panel monitors are thinner and lighter and commonly used with a portable computer system like notepad computers. Like today, they are most of all used only for flat panel system only. Next one is dot matrix printers. Dot matrix printers, a character printer which print one character at a time. They form character and all kinds of image as pattern of dots only. That is a dot matrix printers. Dot matrix printers are impact printers because they print by hammering the pins on the inked ribbon to leave link imprints in the paper. Maximum 1 per second, 30 to 600 character it is printed. It allows to the print many special character, different size of print, and the ability to print graphics such as chart and graphs. This is a dot matrix printers diagrams. Next one, inkjet printers are non-impact printers because they print by spraying ink on the paper. It is used for spray. The inkjet printers are character printer which form character and all kinds of image by spraying small drop of ink onto the paper. Inkjet printer cannot be used to produce multiple copies of the document in a single printing only. The next one is laser printers. Produce very high quality output because they form a characters by very thin ink particles. Laser printer are non-impact printer because they do not have a hammer strinker on a inked ribbon or papers. Very high speed laser printers are also available which can print 500 to 1000 pages per minute. Low speed laser printer can be print 4 to 12 pages per minute. Laser printer are more expensive than other printers. Okay. Next one is plotter. Plotter many engineer design applications like architecture plan. Likewise, yes, cutout, you know about the advertisement cutout, that is like plotters on a building design of mechanical components of an aircraft or car, etc. often record high quality, perfectly proportioned graphical output on a large sheeters. Yeah, this is a plotters.